Welcome back to another banger prank. So, as I can see that they wanted to run this last sleep. Pin the watch on and drop asleep. In seat dead, so don't worry if you might hear me, not hear me. I use the mic because some people are complaining and I hear me. This time I'm going to use on doing movie them, so I use it so open I hear me properly. So I just come up with an idea to do a prank. So I will get dressed well nice, put on clothes, fix up my ear. While myself, put on my shield and put on my shoes and spray with cologne and everything. I go wake him up and I go send my son come back, facing reaction. I go turn on the light. I wonder what to do, guys. I will probably get ready in the dance. Because I turn on the light and go wake up. So when we're ready for left now, I turn on the light. What me love go look shabby when time I get ready in the dance. But anyways, I know I was gonna go there with a bag of prank. Jesus God, my ugly, but I don't really care right now. I'm just want to prank Sean because I feel like saying last time about mouth steak. This is our next revenge prank. So guys, stay tuned. I will get dressed. Soon come back. Can show on when time every time I so but if kind of feel weird for just put on close my camera and know some people do it. So stay tuned. Remember follow our social media platforms and cover them down in the description box below. Also, if you're new, subscribe to our post notification bell, and thanks for 2K subscribers. And by the way, today our anniversary, so make sure to me and give me a video. It will also be in the title below saying whatever. Yes, sir. Stay tuned and I'm gonna go get dressed so far. Yeah, guys. So sit down. The time right now at 12:25 a.m. in the night. So I will probably put on one bucket hat and shades. Those are my shades, I don't care in the night. The darkest glass, I mean, I want to see them on another TikTok. So yes, I'm going to go jump on this now. So forward again. Alright guys, so I'm going to lock off like a little like all this. So I'm going to wake up now, then I'm soon come back. So I open up here because people been a complain say then low, I put on my mic as me say. So open up here with. So here goes nothing. Babe. 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 Don't come back here. Don't come back. There. What? Get up. You hear me? Get up. Babe. Babe, get up now. Babe. Roshan. Get up now. Yeah, talk to you. Yeah, I road block. Don't come now, come. Come? Yeah, I road block. What part you do take it? To the hour. You know. Yeah, come. Yeah, come. And then the right time of the road, 12:40. The right time of the road. Can't go road 9 o'clock. You're tired? Can I get this? We have a friend. Can I get this? Huh? We have a friend.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah? Look nice? Eh?
Put on nice.
Like one.
You know how to dress? The
Okay,
green
already.
dress.
This me already, I'm not take this off. Later.
Huh?
Later.
Put on something else.
This me already.
Sit down there.
Babe,
Put on something else.
so what to this one me already?
You know how you that ever, you don't know where I've heard it. Come on, bro.
If you look at it, I'm not go.
Yeah.
We don't even know go. Yeah, Papa. Amma. I can't tell what to do. You were shinty after you can't tell me what to do, what to go, or what to just.
Finna change this and I'm gonna.
Me and a papi tree, you can't tell me what to do now, what to go. Me and wear this.
You don't talk again?
Me don't talk to later. So later. Baby can't wear for me good clothes, so.
I'm not even foolish. You wait me to say I got a road and you got a road. Me say change that.
Why you can't wear for me good clothes, so? I did some me about me a wear Russian.
You can't wear that.
Oh, you wear all the clothes that road. Maybe I tell you what to wear that road, eh?
Which other clothes wear that?
When they got to give where they have one short shorts and a white t-shirt.
I never
And
have
short
that
girls in
jeans
your leg.
pants with that one.
They have one short short.
I never short shorts.
Me don't talk Russian. The people never wait for me. They
You
don't
don't
want me
tell
to
me,
be on
sir.
the road, you know.
You better wait.
Me not change. Oh, baby, you squeeze me on. What's wrong with you? Say this now, I'm not change it.
Nice.
Russia, give
So
me
now
that.
I'm doing.
But this now where I'm not change. So yeah. Yeah? What? You tell Russian to me I got road money and you nah. What do you mean? You don't know say me I road Peggy?
This one here on the road?
Yeah.
Look one time.
I rode black mummy.
Oh.
Think so, Harana?
So you're not sleeping over there?
No, I'm sleeping can go.
Oh. What time now?
12:40.
Stay yard, man. You're scared.
Me a got road, so me can't tell you nothing. You know I'm good. Yeah, I'm this one day. You can buy your shoes?
You know how you want to say?
No, so now we wait here and see at home. Baby, me want to go do show TV. Surprise them with a bang bang. Surprise. Hey,
You know I'm gonna.
you want to come? Who's there?
You know I'm gonna.
You want to come?
You know, but no.
You want to come?
You hear me just say?
You want to come? You coming? Stop my touch about me clothes.
You know,
What's that?
no way.
Alright, no, just have a listen.
Take off,
Put
take
that
off.
off. Stop strip me now, TikTok me.
You know how to do TikTok now.
Yeah, me have to look nice. Stop now.
You know what group on your seat then? Almost one of the film.
13
Are you on Guy Road?
I put on the shading on the grill.
You know matter what?
When they never there, I go around nobody could stop me. I'm going to my mama.
Me there now.
Yeah, my mama and my papa. You look like you are room life and you know go work. So you have to tell you make me go out with me or you go on your yard, you can't do what you do. Go on your yard. Go on your yard.
This is what I say.
This is what I say. Packet things on my yard, you can't tell me what to do. Stop up.
You know what I say?
Make up for me now. Make up for me now.
Is this man about face?
I see a great deal of you know, so that can't stop me. 3 little edges are good. But I don't know where I try. Plus the people are away from me, so we got can't do more for me. Left it door, you know? Yeah, most me pa. Yeah, me pa.
Go on through the
I think my pa can't do more for you. What me do, Sean?
No, I'm good.
We can't go to you now.
Go on through now.
I'm gonna take off here because this is 100% good. I'm just going to do my edges. Come here, girl. Look nice. You don't want your girl to work. Watch Batty. Babe, stop pushing so give me key.
Go take off your clothes.
Give me key. You can't stop a road pig from the wood. Stop stripping
Take
off
off
the
your
clothes,
clothes.
no? Yeah, me pa. Give me me can't do that. Let me shades, you know, not the shades, Joshua, not the shades. My property not a you can't buy it. You can't mess with anything else, don't mess with my shades. Sir.
Take off your clothes. Take off your clothes and have food and someone more sleep, you know? Take off your clothes.
Take off your clothes. Go back to sleep, no? You don't want to wake you for. You see, when we wake you up, make you know so now go for me. Before we left, now I need to tell you what I left and not tell me rate it.
Give me no fun,
You don't give me no report, I know you have a fine one day. Go back to sleep and give me key. So I must see your house. Go back to sleep now.
Take off your clothes.
Go back to sleep.
Take off your
Go
clothes.
back to sleep.
Take off your clothes.
I never see this.
Take off your
Liberty come through carelessness.
Take off.
A child abuse is one. You know, this is a child abuse. Taking off my clothes without my permission. You want to hear it?
Take
You want to hear
off.
it?
Yes.
Go on back for sleep. Guys, what on? Babe. Babe. Alright? Today. You're so hell bent on not me going through it that you see camera right over here, so. What wrong with you, so? Me sick for God already, so I was like, low, that's still 60, babe, me can't ride this car road one day. The body. Babe, can't ride this car road one day. Yeah, guys, so, you don't know, so Janelle there with the back rock them, and we catch her shine again. Poop in the head, Team Janelle all the way every day, Team Tugger, no day, no day. Come swan, catch me swan. Ooh. A photographer need to come catch me. Ooh. Babe, want any video? Come on, we're gonna go road this over there. Babe, come on.
Super.
I'm gonna take you out, you put it back. Yeah, guys, so Russia and get Frank again. Cause I Team Janelle. Team Janelle all day, every day, all night, every night, all late hours, normal, I like. Team Janelle. Team Janelle. Oh, I'm so cute. What a boy looking for such a cute girlfriend. Team
Ease
Janelle.
up, you know?
Team Janelle.
Team Janina, ease up and go sleep, man.
Oh, you finally admitted it's Team Janelle. Baby, that's my next chain. Me don't look for good for any. Cancer. Two away are cancer, guys, for your information. Babe,
Ease up now.
happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Love you.
Love you.
Can go road?
Ease up.
You can go road? May I go road, dear? Guys, one more. Bang, 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 bang. Peace out. See you on I'm not sure, guys, but thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy this prank. Please, guys, we're so close to watch ours, so please just help us get closer, please. We would appreciate it. Continue to subscribe. Thanks 2K, we appreciate it very much from the bottom of our heart. We appreciate all the love and support. Thank you, guys. And remember to go over Kira TV. We have the bad movies over there, and we have a new one coming. This is called Never Dare Trust Your Own. The thumbnail there in our community, Kira TV. Subscribe, like up the video, guys. Big up on yourself. Peace out.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say